Good morning, cookies. It is number corner time again. Let's review the pattern we had on our calendar so far. Remember to say the shapes. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle. Did you all just yell a shape at me? Let's see. Give me that drum roll, please. And it is a rectangle. You're correct. Today is day number 10 of our month of September. So when we add that here, you would read it as today is September 10th, the year 2020. So if we count to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days in September. Do you remember the days of the week? Sing them with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we're going to do the months of the year also, and you just need to repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, to show 10 on your hands, you use all your fingers because if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You've got 10 of them. Okay, we're going to move over to our other part of our number corner here. And Miss B forgot to put something here, so we're a little low. So, okay, you ready? Here we go. All right, we need to add our dot to our calendar on the 10 frame. So we're going to come up here, add it here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red dots. 1, 2, 3 blue dots. So 5 plus 3 equals, you're right, 8. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You were right. Kiss your brain. We're going to add a blank on. So once again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You are so smart, cookies. Now, an 8 is, I think, one of the trickiest numbers to write. So you would come here and make it that way. I'm going to show you on the big board so you can see it a little clearer. So the way I always say to make an 8 is make an S and close the gate to make the number 8. Now it's time for our spinner to add to our calendar collector. So we're going to spin, and we landed on, that's right, 4. Show me 4 with your fingers. 4. So I need to count out 4 cubes. So help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our 4. We're going to put those in pocket 2 for week 2. Now we've got one last thing we're going to do, and that is I'm going to quickly show you a 10 frame, and you're going to tell me how many it is. Are you ready? I know you are. Here we go. You're right, 5. I love how you're showing me with your fingers. Here's our next one. How many? You're right, 3. Here we go. How do you show that with your hand? You just do this. That's right, 0. Here's our next one. You're right, that was too easy. 1. And our last one, you ready? How many? 4 is right. You guys are such smart cookies. Remember, keep practicing looking at numbers and telling your parents what the numbers are and writing them. That's important because when you get in our classroom, I'm going to be able to need to read them so I know what number you're writing. So cookies, I will see you all tomorrow. Love ya.